Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you with a different kind of video today. In this one, we're going to be venturing out to Walmart and I'm going to show you guys a really interesting way you can get started to sell on Amazon with the lowest possible risk. I'm going to be showing you how to do retail arbitrage. Pretty much we're going to be using the Amazon seller app to find products that are selling on Amazon for a higher price than what they're selling for inside of Walmart. You're basically buying low and selling high. And this is the way that I started to sell on Amazon. I found out I could sell on Amazon and there's people doing private label products, which is a lot more profitable, but there's a bit more risk that goes into that. But retail arbitrage is a great way to kind of see how the Seller Central platform works and get your feet wet with setting up shipping plans and all that before you go ahead and start your own private label business. So let's go hop in the car and I'll see you guys at Walmart. Let's get it. Right here at Walmart, gonna go find us some clearance section items. It's real windy out here. All right, so we're in here at Walmart right now and I found a bunch of as seen on TV products. What you guys need to figure out the price of what these are selling for on Amazon is this Amazon seller app. All you need here is then to press this camera button, and what we found is this little pet egg or whatever. So I'm just gonna scan the UPC. So I'm just gonna scan the UPC with this, and Amazon shows me that it's selling for $17.99. So right here it's only $12.88 and it sells for $17.99 on Amazon. So I would basically be able to go buy all of these right now and ship them into Amazon. But one other thing this app shows you is pretty much the fees that the product is gonna cost you. So there's gonna be $2.70 in Amazon fees, and I'd only be making like $2 profit then on this, or $3. But pretty much that's what you can do. You can go find clearance items and buy a ton of them, ship them into Amazon, and we're gonna go see what we can buy in this store right now with some better deals today. Yo, so we came up and we found this $20 item here. I found the same thing on Amazon and it's selling for $42.84. And it looks like there's about $5 in fees. So my revenue will be $37.70 on this after fees, and it costs $20, so I'll be making $17 profit if I sell this thing. I wish they had like 5 of them because I could buy all of them. It's great. All you gotta do is come into Walmart and look where they have like these rollback signs, and then you can start finding deals. And this is only one store out of a lot that we're gonna go hit up pretty soon. So we wanna go to Toys R Us soon too, because they are going out of business. They might have a lot of clearance items. That's what you want to find. So we got this $11 little supplement here, and if I scan the barcode, it says it's selling for $19.66 on Amazon. But the only problem, and what's kind of handy about this app, is it shows that the product is restricted right there. You cannot sell this product in new condition. Otherwise, I'd be making, the low price is $25.98. So, I mean, I could be making some good profits on this. We're gonna not be able to sell this, but let's go see what else we can get. All right, guys, so after everything was all said and done, we actually did come home right after that short trip to Walmart. I plan to go back and check out that Toys R Us clearance section real soon. But after everything was all said and done, I bought 2 of these little Sonic the Hedgehog Legos that were on clearance for $22, and they sell for $35 on Amazon. And I calculated it up with the app, and after everything, I'll make $7 in profit off of 2 of these. So that'll be $14 together with that. And we can see actually just right here on the receipt, those 2 items were $22 each. And the funny thing was, the cash register guy didn't even ring this in. Okay, like this was on clearance for 20 bucks. He didn't even ring it in on the receipt. And let me show you what, guys, because this is a high profit item. So I scanned the barcode on this item and it actually sells for $42 on Amazon, and after fees I'll be ranking in about $37 on this product alone. So that's crazy. The guy didn't even ring this thing in, and pretty much I'll make $37 in profit when I sell this on Amazon. So $37 plus 14, I'm looking at about $51 in profit just on 3 items. So this is a great way to get your feet wet with Amazon. You don't even have to spend that much out the door, and you can see profits coming in really quickly. And we can see the sales rank for some of these like toys right here. These things sell like crazy. They sell so fast. The sales rank is so low on Amazon that I can tell that these items were selling really fast. So if you guys want to subscribe and stick around, if you haven't subscribed already, I'm going to make a part 2 to this retail arbitrage type video and show you how to actually cover up the UPC barcodes that are on these products and cover them with the Amazon barcodes, which you need to send the inventory into Amazon. I'll show you guys how to print out those specific Amazon barcodes, as well as box these up, make a shipping plan, and send this inventory into Amazon. And after that, I'll follow up with probably a part 3 and show you exactly the profits that I made after I sold these items and how fast I sold them, because I'm expecting these to sell real fast. And if I can make $50 in profit in a couple of days, that's pretty sweet for just this meager amount of work I did. So if you liked the video, please go ahead and drop a like, and I will see you guys in part 2 of this retail arbitrage video. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.